haven't written any code until now, in our course. Correct? You already know that these are referred to as code cells, but I'd like to inform you that Jupyter can do more than simply write code. However, you can insert text in Jupyter by converting these code cells into markdown cells. By simply clicking this, you can view it down here. These code cells will be transformed into markdown cells. It's capable of writing text. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, just give me a second to get it on here. You may also use the text as a heading or make it bold to create an italic. Okay. This is known as markdown. For the time being, I'll just describe the fundamentals of markdown formatting. This will be converted to a heading if you just type hash and leave a space between the words. Okay, this is referred to as h1. Let's assume you want to type 2 hashes, followed by the same word. If you follow these steps and press Shift and Enter, the result will be a somewhat smaller heading. This is h2. Furthermore, if you input 3 hashes followed by the word, and you may run or execute, then this would be h3. If you're familiar with HTML, the order of heading h1, h2, and h3 should be no surprise. Okay, so let's assume that this is your sentence and you'd want to make this portion of it bold or italics. Okay, the first thing you'd need to do is put that portion of the sentence within the asterisk. Okay, once you've completed this and shifted and entered, all that will be in italics is this portion of the sentence. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste the same thing over again and convert it to a markdown cell. Let's assume that you want this, but if we convert it to a bold style, then simply surround the area of the sentence with 2 asterisks, it's fine. After that, you may modify this into bold once if you press Shift and Enter. Now, since this is the end of the lesson and we're still talking about your notebooks, not code in the next one, I'll stop here.